Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Modest Wallet. We have a pretty good review today. We're going to be reviewing and talking about InvestingPro from investing.com. InvestingPro is it's a powerful stock research platform, and it's designed to help you really make informed investment decisions from your computer. So in this fast-paced world of investing, I know that I personally have learned that having the right tools at your fingertips can definitely be a difference between success and failure. And so InvestingPro is a very comprehensive platform that's going to offer a wide range of features to help you stay ahead of the curve of investing. So whether you're a seasoned investor or you're just starting out, InvestingPro can provide some valuable insights and the tools to really just enhance your investment journey. So in this view, we're going to be exploring the key features of InvestingPro. We're going to be discussing its pricing, and we're going to go inside the platform. We're going to look at those pros and cons, and then finally provide an overall assessment of the platform. All right. I don't want to waste any time. I want to get right into those features, so that's what we're going to do. Let's explore some of these features that we're going to be reviewing, and we'll go from there after that. All right, so some of these features, let me just kind of go over this with you with this features guide. In case you are new to InvestingPro completely, you've never heard of it, there are 120,000 retail investors worldwide that use InvestingPro. So definitely, a lot of people out there using this service. And as we mentioned, it is powered by investing.com, which is the world's largest financial markets platform. The service is unrivaled in terms of its affordable plans and high accessibility, which we will get into here shortly. Just a couple things before I go into this platform. Your investing questions answered. So which stocks should I buy? I'll go in and show you the pro picks. But there's an opportunity for you to know what to buy and when to buy with a VIP list of stocks chosen by proven AI models that consistently beats the S&P 500. So if you follow this channel and you're looking at other companies, other businesses, they do something similar to this, but they do have their pro picks. The most advanced stock screener. Now, we've seen a bunch of stock screeners out there, but this includes 1,200 plus financial data points, 10 years worth of company data, and preset fillers. So you can see here, there's a lot of things that you can narrow down your stocks with this stock screener. Then it allows you to have access to top performing portfolios. So you can go ahead and you can actually look at someone like Warren Buffett's portfolio, which I always find interesting, just to see what these bigwigs are buying. You can get an inside look at that. You're able to explore 6,000 plus portfolios that offer new investment ideas. So definitely pretty cool there. They offer this area like it's called the fair value, where they offer real-time advanced calculations that instantly reveal hidden market opportunities. So you're gonna be able to see, this stock, look at the upside, tell whether it's a bargain, whether it's undervalued. Definitely kind of a neat little feature there. The pro tips: get instant digestible insights for any stock, summarizing a sea of financial data points. So you're going to be able to see the bear for a certain stock. You'll see the bear. Obviously, that means might want to stay away from. Or you might see a bull where there's revenue growth has been accelerating. Another feature they have are the company health scores. You're just going to be able to see, you kind of know where the company kind of lines up overall, whether it's a 1 through a 5. Hopefully you're going to be picking stocks that are in that green area. And then as we get to the bottom too, you're going to be able to find information, breaking news, hot updates with market moving insights. So you will get up-to-date articles and things whenever things happen or hit the streets, you'll find out about it. There's key statistics where you can customize your snapshot view of stocks with over 175 metrics. What else does it have to offer? It's 100% ad-free, 0 ad interruptions on our website and mobile app. Only going to be using the website. We're not going to be looking at this at all through mobile today, but there is that option as well. So millions of investors use investing.com to invest with total confidence, maximum market coverage, maximum data, and at a minimal cost, which we will get into. All right, so I am in the pro version right now. I have an account set up. Pretty simple process to get signed up, and as I said, we will talk about the pricing here shortly. But let's just go through this list. I think it's best to just kind of look at what is right down this left side. We've already kind of mentioned it in that brief review there, but so let's just go to the watch list, and that's kind of what you're looking at right now. I already went ahead and just added 2 companies in here for the watch list, and what you can do is you can literally put in any stock that you'd like that you want to maybe keep track of. It's your watch list. Kind of see where it is on a daily basis. You can kind of just see if things change or not. I'll just scroll over. You can see the different metrics there. Definitely a lot there. If you are more of a beginner, this might be a little overwhelming for you. But if you're, if you are a beginner, you can understand good, great, undervalued, fair. So there are some features here that are going to allow you, for really anyone to be able to get the best out of it, whether you're a novice, beginner, expert, those types of things. It's going to be labeled nicely for you. So I put Apple and Microsoft, and you can kind of see all these different things, all these different metrics laid out for you. Let's go to the ideas section, and in the ideas section, this is that part where you can kind of search famous investors, hedge funds, investment advisors. You can find different themes. So let's just pretend, okay, so there's 2 people there. Let's go with Warren Buffett, for example. If I click on Warren Buffett, then I'm going to get a nice little breakdown. I'll scroll down slowly so you can kind of see what we're looking at, and you can kind of see the different here's his holdings compared to the S&P 500. Here's a breakdown of what is in his portfolio and the percentage that's in this portfolio. Pretty interesting stuff. This is the kind of stuff that really interests me. See what's actually being held in his funds, in his investments. Here's the sector concentration, so you can kind of get the breakdown there nicely of whatever he is investing in. You can also break it down with Google Sheets, Excel, CSV, but we're not going to go ahead and do that right now. But that was Warren Buffett. Let me just go back. We could click on Bill Gates if we wanted to. And once again, it's literally the same thing. It just gives you the breakdown of what he invests in. I'll scroll down just a little bit so you can see, there's a variety of things you can choose from. Certain people, like we said, certain hedge funds, you might find that type of stuff interesting. It's not for everyone, but I think it's pretty interesting. Pro Picks AI. So top performing investment strategies curated to help you achieve your investment goals are powered by our proven AI model. So current stocks in IT 15. As you can see here, this is information technology. You can see the top stocks that they have picked through the AI over here on the right side. Now you can also choose some other things in the AI picks, like beat the S&P 500, best of Buffett, mid-cap movers. Just to kind of to break this, how this works, you pick your strategy, select the Pro Pick strategy, align with your goals and preferences. You're going to unlock the stocks. You're going to add strategy recommended stocks to your portfolio. You're going to watch for updated updates via email or on the site to adjust holdings and stay on track for that ideal performance. And then you just track your gains over time, acknowledge and celebrate achievements in your investment journey. So that's where the AI is. Pretty neat stuff. I'm sure we could explore that for hours. Stock screener, I'm not actually going to go through and do too much here, but it's pretty much, as I was looking through it, it's pretty much very similar to any other stock screener out there. So nothing too crazy, but you can kind of break it down to get certain specific stocks that you are interested in looking at. The Data Explorer. So for here, we could put in, like it's already mentioned, Apple is already in it, and it's just going to give you a breakdown. I can go to dividends per share, and it's going to give me the breakdown of the dividends per share for Apple and a ton of other information. Like I said, if you are a nerd and you want to break down charts, very intricate charts here, you can do that. Like I said, I'm not going to go ahead and do that too much, but there are a lot of things you can do with charting. You can add different metrics here. As you can see, there's a lot you can do, and it looks like you can go out to 10 years, which is always nice. So that's kind of just a quick run through of what the platform looks like on the inside. Now there are some other things you can do with this, but that kind of hits on the main things with InvestingPro. So now let's get into the pricing. All right, I hope that was a pretty good review for you, as we really kind of just wanted you to see what the platform looks like and give you guys an inside view. So now let's talk about the pricing. I'm sure you're probably interested in this. It's what really everyone is interested in, because who wants to pay a ton of money for something? So let's talk about the pricing. All right, so normally InvestingPro costs $119.88 a year, which comes down to $9.99 a month. And if you look at other platforms, that's really not that bad. It's definitely on the lower end of other platforms that we reviewed. So a lot lower than many of its competitors. Now, I do want to mention that if you do click our link in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comments, we can get you your first year subscription for just $80.32. So that's $39.56 off your normal subscription price. And if you do decide to use InvestingPro, definitely take advantage of that introductory offer that we can help you get exclusively at the Modest Wallet. Now, I'm not trying to sell you this. This is just what I want you to know in case you are interested in using the service. And before I forget, I do want to just mention there is a Pro Plus version, and that Pro Plus version is $24.99 a month. But unless you're really just trying to nerd it out, I'm not sure that it's actually necessary to go with that version, especially because it's more than double the price. Maybe you're trying to nerd it out and you really want those added additional features. I'll still put Pro Plus up on the screen so you can kind of see what you get. All right, enough about price though. Let's move on and take a look at those pros and cons of InvestingPro. When it comes to the pros, there is the comprehensive range of features for both technical and fundamental analysis. User-friendly interface and easy navigation is key. Another pro is the affordable pricing compared to some other premium platforms. And finally, the large database of financial data and market news. As with any review, we also have to go over the cons. And so first, some users may find the interface to be a little bit cluttered, or even overwhelming, especially for beginners. And our second con is that the quality of the research content can vary, and some users may find it to be less in-depth than other platforms. InvestingPro is definitely going to be a valuable tool for really all levels. They offer a comprehensive set of features for technical and fundamental analysis, which is going to make it a great choice for those looking to improve their investment decision making. Now, while the platform may not be perfect for everyone, its affordable pricing and its extensive features definitely make it a strong contender in the overall market. So if you're serious about investing and want to take your research really to the next level, InvestingPro is definitely going to be worth considering. So that's all I have for you today. If you've tried InvestingPro, just let us know in the comments what you think about it. If there's things you like, things you don't like, definitely drop those comments below. What are your overall thoughts on the platform? Are there any questions that we weren't able to answer in this review? So don't be shy, drop the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, don't forget to like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so for more money made simple videos. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you in the next video.